Are they 4000 series? Are they? Pretty sure they're 4000 series.
It's moving. It's a coming.
Take up his fish eggs.
Callum, you didn't take home your fish eggs. Look at them all. Fish eggs. Caviar. Yo. Blake, come back here.
Are you rubbing this down?
Yeah, I gotta do that. I've got several mods happening right now. I'm a bit overwhelmed. I've already started because the camera is charging. But we are doing... What are we doing, Blake? We got a couple things to do today. At the driveway?
No words.
Okay. Just point. And then what does this mean? Is it thumb up, thumb down? Yeah, double thumb, triple thumb. What is he doing? Why is he pacing? Ah. Alright, we got DBA T3 rotors with the kangaroo paw print for the venting.
Gotta read. Here. Here's your thermal shit.
Oh, yeah, because Blake said there was different colours on the side of the rotor, and he's going to explain them.
You got on the actual rotor. I'll show you. I've seen it before. Alright. So your rotor will come with 3 colours on it. You've got a green, an orange, and a pinkish reddish. That's normal because this is what T3. They don't come on the T2s, not that I know of. So, and it's like a thermal indicator. So here we go. The brake rotor is marked with 3 heat-sensitive markings. These markings allow you to gauge the temperature the disc rotors have achieved and help you indicate the efficient and recommended working temps of the disc rotor. So, the top one, the red one, when the rotor exceeds 630 degrees Celsius, the red will turn to a white indicator.
Ooh, white, 600 plus.
The orange, the second one. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's max. Green, it'll change to white at 458 degrees Celsius. The orange, the middle one, will turn yellow at 550. And yeah, the top one will change white at 630.
Which is cool.
It's fucking hot.
Yeah. Are they 4000 series? Are they? Pretty sure they're 4000 series. T3 Club Spec Road and Race Series. I think that's up here. 4000 series. 6 kilograms. And they're painted black where they bolt on. Which is cool. With the kangaroo paw print. I don't know how it looks like a kangaroo paw print. There was a little...
it's on the inside of the fence.
Yeah, it's something like that. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's on the inside.
It's pretty cool. Cool. So we've gone from this guy, my slotted cheap boy rotor, which is, there is no meat in this. I couldn't even get it machined. There is no vent. The rears are good, so I only went with the fronts for now. They're just junk. My pads, they're pretty good. I bought brand new pads, but didn't even need them. But in saying that, I got some repair work to do. I've done the stud on it, so I got to pull the hub apart, which is 4 14mm bolts. I've already pulled off the caliper, which was 2 17mm up here, and Blake gave me a hand pulling it off because that guy was stuck on that because of the lip around the edge of the rotor was hectic. So I could pull that off, and because Blake's cool, he's got a press, which makes things a lot easier. I hear a Subi. Hey, sticker man. That's Joey, if you're not too sure. Joey, where we get our stickers and stuff, mate. Blake looks concerned. So I'm gonna pull this guy off.
They look at the front bar, they look at me, I fucking finished it. They're like, you didn't get a haircut. I was pulled over on the way.
I did.
You asked me.
Yeah.
What for?
I had to undo the wheel sensor as well. And I'm up to the last bolt, so it should be good. Literally it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's pretty easy. Easy job. The studs on the 86 are apparently pretty weak from what I've been told from other 86 owners and on the forum website. So best bet is to always upgrade. I think they're a bit longer, so I might have to cut it down, or because I don't think my wheel lug nut will work with it. Got it. Look how stuffed that is. And that's it. Now I gotta get the press out. I got it out. Got it on the press. Let's see how I can not stuff this up. Where's a pole?
Yeah, you press that, son. Press it!
I don't trust this shit. This isn't really working how I thought it was going to work. So, plan B. It's in the way. Smash it out of the way. It's moving. It's a coming. See you later. Where's my studs? Blake, where's my studs? In the boot. They're in the boot. Oh, also, fixing a bit of this. Should be nearly ready to sand. So I'll bog that up. That's the rear like garnish boot piece. Goes up here. ARP studs. Let's make sure they're the right thread. Smack it in. Wow, if this bloke could hit straight with this hammer, it would be nice. We in? You meant to look at it, Adam.
Oh, well, it's very, I can feel it very in.
Okay, it's in. So that's a comparison from stock to APR's one, and this is the only one they actually sell for the 86, I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me. Now I'm just gonna pull it back together. New rotor and all that stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. Finger licking oil. Look at that crap. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the other shock. It's sad. That's shocking.
Yeah.
If you want to know how it goes back on, the bolts are actually wider at the bottom than they are at the top. And another indication is, I'll point to it, is here you got like oil and grease and all that crap is built up from here. And that is actually this cut out here to actually help you pry it off. So yeah, but it won't. It will only bolt on one way, so you can't get them upside down, which is all good. Rotor time. That's a crap one. I need brake cleaner. I got a brake cleaner this thing. Hope it all fits. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. It studs really far out. That's worrying me a bit. I don't really want to cut it, so I might upgrade. Get some better one of these bad boys. Alright, now I'm going to put the caliper on. But I'm going to have to squeeze the brake pads back, because obviously these rotors behind me are going to be a lot thinner compared to the thickness of these. Also, there is a difference in between your GT and your GTS and your BRZ. Measure what's on your car if you're going to do it. Measure what's on your car, then order them in, because I had to get these ordered because they're all different pricing, all different sizing. So I just got them off DBA. But it looks like I'm going to have to bend the shield back a bit as well. But yeah, mint. That's it. It'll sit there. Yeah. Dog. Oh, it was a bit of work. I've chewed a hell of a lot of meat off that rotor. There's a good like maybe 2mm lip on there, but we had to push this all the way back out. So I pushed it, I opened the caliper all the way to get this rotor on. So Blake had to give me a chop out, but it's on. Put it all back together, do the other side, and then I can go take it out for a spin. So it should be pretty fun. One side done. Literally just have to repeat the same process on the driver's side and we're done. But it looks pretty beasty under there. Reason I'm running stockies and not my work is, you know what, it is a daily and my daily commute for work is like 70 k's. So just saving tread life. That is it. Not getting new wheels, not doing any stance boy stuff, just being smart about where my money's going. If I'm driving every day to work for 70 k's, like, I'll go back on these. And as well, they're getting damaged badly on the freeway, just rocks and crap everywhere. So I'm going to do the other side and then I got to sand down that thing. And I've got to clean up. And then